This video highlights key operating points and frequently asked questions for the Switch 8, helping you perform daily operations more smoothly. The Switch 8 features an interchangeable gearbox design with 3-channel configurations, providing flexibility to accommodate different experimental needs and common sample volumes. The 16-channel gearbox is designed for high-throughput applications. The 8-channel gearbox offers flexible configurations for a wide range of workflows. The 4-channel gearbox is optimized for large-volume sample extraction. When installing the gearbox, ensure that the side with the alignment pin is facing the motor. Carefully slide the gearbox into the slot until the magnets engage to ensure proper installation. During magnetic engagement, pay close attention to finger placement to avoid pinching. After the gearbox is installed, ensure that all corresponding components are properly matched, including the markings on the heating plate and the correct spin tip size, to prevent operational issues during the run. In addition to TANBead pre-filled reagent kits, the Switch 8 is designed to support reagent kits from different brands commonly used in the market. Before starting the instrument, replace the gearbox with a large magnetic rod configuration. For reagent kits from other brands, 4-channel, 8-channel, and 16-channel gearbox options are available to support different application scenarios. After powering on the instrument, be sure to select the correct magnetic rod type on the user interface so the system can properly recognize and load the corresponding program. Matching accessories must also be used, including a heating plate labeled F and the appropriate spin tip size to ensure proper operation. Please note that the cut corner orientation of reagent kits from other brands may differ from TANBead products. Once properly configured, the nucleic acid extraction process can be performed following the same standard operating workflow. Power on the Switch 8 and log in using the Supervisor ID to access advanced settings. From the Edit page, you can select an installed program and modify its parameters as needed. To import a new program, first save the program file to a USB drive and insert it into the Switch 8. Select an available program slot and tap Import. Locate the program file, then tap Open. Once the import is complete, the USB drive can be safely removed. When using the large magnetic rod gearbox, only a demo program is pre-installed. Additional customized programs can be freely imported for operation as needed. When operating with the 8-channel gearbox, the system will display left and right options after a program is selected. These correspond to wells 1 through 6 and wells 7 through 12, respectively. Please select the option that matches the sample positions to be processed. TANBead pre-filled reagent kits are available in 2 formats: autoplate and autotube. The autotube format features a modular throughput design, making it ideal for low sample volume applications. When processing a limited number of samples using autotube, placement must start from the A1 position in the upper left corner to ensure proper system detection. Even if only the right side wells are intended for processing, an autotube must still be placed at A1 to allow the program to run correctly. For this reason, it is recommended to place autotubes starting from the left side. After the procedure is complete, some programs may leave the heating plate at an elevated temperature. If you need to remove the heating plate, please wait until it has cooled down to avoid the risk of burns. The operating temperature is displayed in the lower right corner of the touchscreen interface. After each run is completed, always perform the eject process to prevent reuse of the spin tips and reduce the risk of contamination. Since the eject function is located on the previous operation screen, first tap Reports, Then use the back arrow in the lower left corner to return to the operation page. Once the correct position is confirmed, tap Eject and wait for the process to complete. If the program is aborted after starting, the system will automatically proceed to the spin tip ejection screen. Ejection must be completed before returning to the home screen to start a new run. Alternatively, the spin tip ejection procedure can also be accessed directly from the tip menu on the home screen. This concludes the Switch 8 FAQ overview. For more detailed operating instructions, please refer to the user manual or contact TANBead technical support.